Yeah.
If Jeff would have been there, I would have been able to hold it, but
I got a little dirty there. I'll admit it, but I was like,
I think we both ran probably the best we've ever fucking ran right there.
I wasn't for most of the time I was behind you.
Yeah.
I wasn't even wide open. I was like maybe 3/4. I was just holding it, and I was like, I'll wait until I get towards the end, and then I'll make my move.
Yep.
And then of course once I got on it, I just did what you did and come in hot and come up high, and you were right back there. So.
Yep. Well, we did this number quite a few times. I could almost use just a smidge more gear.
Almost kind of wondering if I should just drop back down to tooth, because I mean, I brought the RP. I had more speed because, like I said, I wasn't holding the throttle as much, but definitely a little bit less acceleration, I guess.
Yeah, guy could pull on you on the corners pretty hot.
You being right there on me,
It's so smooth out there too. It's hard to judge if we're going faster or not. That's probably the smoothest we've ever ran.
Yeah.
At first, when we were going slow, I thought it was going to be